dear children. Good morning to all. So last class we were dealing with our first chapter, the earth, our home. Yes or no? The earth, our home. And through that chapter we were discussing about earth is the only planet that has life. Earth is the only planet known to have water. Then 71% is land, 71% is water, remaining 29% is water. Yes or no? Then we were saying about continents, then we were saying about oceans, then we were discussing about the 7 continents. Yes or no? So today in this class we are moving with our first continent, Asia. First continent, Asia. So listen carefully. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. And it occupies 1/3 of the land area. Asia is the largest continent. It occupies the 1/3 of land area. Then, two world popular countries. Two world populous countries, China and India, are in Asia. China and India are in Asia. Then the next is Asia is bordered. Asia is bordered on east by Pacific Ocean. Bordered on the east by Pacific Ocean. Then south by Indian Ocean and north by Arctic Ocean. So this Asia is bordered by oceans. Bordered by oceans such as Pacific Ocean, then Indian Ocean and also Arctic Ocean. So is this Asia, that continent, clear for you? Yes. So we are moving with the next continent, Africa. We are moving with the next continent, Africa. So listen carefully. Africa is the second largest continent. Africa is the second largest continent, whereas Asia is the largest continent. That's all. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Africa is the second largest continent. And this region lies within the tropics. The regions lies within the tropics. And this Africa is surrounded. Africa is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea on the Mediterranean Sea in the north, Indian Ocean in the east and Atlantic Ocean in the west. Once again, Africa is the second largest continent. The region lies within the tropics, and this Africa is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea in the north, Indian Ocean in the east and Atlantic Ocean in the west. And Atlantic Ocean in the west. And Mediterranean Sea, we were saying about Mediterranean Sea, listen, we were saying about the continent Africa. So next we move with the continent North America. We move with the continent North America. Listen carefully. North America is the third largest country. Largest country is Asia, second largest country is Africa, and third largest country is North America. Third largest country is North America. And listen here, this North America, accidentally this North America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, he was passing through India to find a route. He wants a route to come. At that time, he discovered this North America. The name of that person is Christopher Columbus. second, my dear students, the famous mountain range, Rockies. The name is Rockies, the famous mountain range. Rockies are in this continent. In this continent means North America. The famous Rockies mountain range. Rockies is a mountain range. It is also in this continent. And other than that, highest peak, Denali in Alaska. Highest peak, Denali in Alaska is also in this North America. Highest peak, Denali in Alaska is in North America. And the lowest point, is the Death Valley. Lowest point is the Death Valley in California. It is also in North America. It is also in North America. So, my dear students, before winding the class, today we were discussing about the continents such as Asia, Africa and North America. Asia is the largest continent and we were saying about the important points in that continent. And second was Africa, second largest continent. We were saying the important things, Mediterranean Sea, all the things. Then third was North America. It is the third largest country, accidentally discovered by Christopher Columbus. And we were saying about the mountain ranges, Rockies. Then we were saying about the highest peak, Denali in Alaska is in this continent. And lastly, we were saying about the lowest point, Death Valley, V-L-L-E-Y Valley in California is also in North America. So remaining continents are there. The next class we will deal with that remaining continents. So my dear children, go through all the things and be ready for the next class. So thank you. Have a nice day.